Hello, OK.
Welcome to Maximus's nursery.
We are so happy our vision has finally come together.
And we're going to share that with you today. There's so many amazing things in the nursery. One of my favourite things though is the hippo, which we bought. It was the first cuddly toy we bought for him from a famous shop in London.
The other thing that I absolutely love are the chandeliers. They are unbelievable. And honestly, when these first went in, I can tell you something, the grandmas, both sets of grandmas were laughing at me going, why have you got these massive chandeliers in the baby's room?
I was laughing too. I thought, what, this is ridiculous.
But they are mega and they're such a statement piece.
This was a classic example of where Hannah was right. You know, Hannah's got great taste and great ideas, but sometimes you think, that's not going to work, and then when it goes in you think that really good vision.
Another real statement piece in the nursery is our cot, and usually with baby furniture comes in like greys and whites, but we've decided to go for the dark wood, which I think is quite traditional.
It's nice and it warms the room up. I think it's got a really nice feel, goes with all the nursery really well, doesn't it?
Yeah, and we've gone for the neutral bedding, like the champagne-y tones. This was quite funny actually, because I was adamant that I wanted to find out what the gender was, and one of my excuses was that I wanted to decorate the nursery, but Martin's always saying...
She convinced me to do a gender reveal, didn't you? Based on the fact that you wanted to decorate the nursery blue or pink.
But it's all neutral. And can I just say, this tree is mega. This is my favourite part of the nursery.
It is fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah, and I feel like, do you know what? When I had this idea, everyone was a little bit like, not quite sure, tree in a nursery.
I thought it was ridiculous.
Yeah, you did.
Until I saw it.
And then as soon as it went up, everyone absolutely loves it. And
I came in, had a look at it that day and just said, Hannah, I think we need to get it made bigger. So we've actually had it made
even bigger.
Yeah, it's probably...
Yeah, even bigger. And I think when he gets a little bit older, I'm gonna take these white flowers out and maybe turn it into like a jungle theme and put little animals in it.
It's beautiful at night as well. When it's dark outside, the chandeliers are on, the trees lit. It's like an enchanted forest.
Yeah, and it was funny. I had a bit of banter with the girls because they usually do trees for weddings and restaurants. They've never done one in a nursery.
Not in someone's house before.
No. And then he's got his little shelves.
He's got shelves that I put up.
Yeah, his daddy put these up.
Me and his granddad put these up.
Yeah, and we got that from that very special shop in London, didn't we?
We did, the Kaye, fabulous.
And he's got his M for Max, and we've got his little name in his in the little play blocks.
So this is his changing station, which I could find my way to blindfolded and in pitch blackness. 3 o'clock in the morning, this is on my radar.
Martin is chief nappy changer, I must say. And actually, before we had a baby, he was saying to me, oh, don't you be thinking I'm going to be changing nappies.
It's typical, honestly.
He's at it all the time.
It was the one thing that I was actually really not looking forward to. And
you don't care, do you?
I don't care at all, no. I'm pretty good at it. I'm really fast at changing his nappy. Very efficient.
Very efficient.
So this is where that happens, yeah. Got all the stuff for that.
Yeah,
and,
all his nappies are in the drawers. We're very, very organised, I feel.
Yeah, he's got his wet wipes, his nappies, nappy bin.
Yeah.
Easy, done.
Thank you for joining us on Maximus's nursery tour.
We can't wait to introduce you to him. You're going to love him.